tie me say asem kese beba franka ensiso. At times you have your freedom, you don't know your freedom. Democracy will be used to gain power, and that power will be used to destroy democracy. This is a prophecy I made it to her. It will happen, maybe I may not be alive at that time. But democracy will be used to secure power, and that power will be used to destroy democracy. At that time, you wouldn't have your own way of doing things. You'll be forced to do that. It can't be. Democracy will be used to secure power, and that power will be used to destroy the democracy. And when democracy is not there, that your freedom to do A, B, C, you wouldn't have that anymore. Think about this. Think about this. I'm being sincere with you. Christians are not serious people. Because what I mean is, you guys don't sit down to analyze and see where the world is going. What did be a deal, bro? What did be a deal, bro? But when you be bound, also now I am too late. The American people will remember me one day. Say, hey, Papa, we come and say one day, some of you are pastors, no money, Christopher, no, be a maker, because in a day, Papa came in, can I say the person or tears here? Because that year, you mistake. Yes. Now you're too late. Huh? I can see the thing coming, big coming, huge energy coming like that. Nobody will be able to stop it. It's coming. But no man, I just any pie no maintenance. But you know what I mean? Live and let me live. Live, let me live. Let Obianya the person. I don't eat meat. I'm a vegetarian. But my name is Matt. Boys, I know me Juma 2 I will never say because a man win na me wa hunting my own win because nam they bomb me. No. If I cannot control my sense, say nam ho me control me when I'm a serious person. See they make an e. If me mean dinam so be dinning am na say me control me when I mean say I'm not even serious. Me nim dey I mean dinam no. So me ye fasting the whole day. No be tim nche na o didi. Na nipa no didi ntimi control me feeling because any nipa ni didi ntimi nya me fasting. I am not a serious person. Tieni. Yes. Me fast here, I can be in the midst of people where people are eating, they are jubilating. I can still do my fasting without getting worried. Tieni. Sanso na me timi akọ program bi ase. Amanfo edidi ebia de ame yere mete ho ni kwase me sorry. They will eat their own preko twere ne omo nam na omo bibia kan na ho sa. I will sit down and I will not be perturbed. I will be focused because I may mean to control me in the midst of manfo mudi nam. Then why am I a vegetarian? The American tini. The American say ye be here say nipa ebetimi anya ne freedom nti omo me no me ye adwuma me workers nyina be se kakra bi pe na vegetarians omo kra no ayi ngese me ne omo ye vegetarians and na me ne omo ye adwuma when they started following me no mo say papa ne ndi nam ti so e be say you follow and omo so ya say omo ye bi no me force anybody. I don't force anybody. I don't want anybody to force me. So I believe say yes I have to be a vegetarian. I can't do ABCD. Yes, that's me. Allow me to do that. Don't come and force me. Say, "Men ABCD." Man, you way. I say, "Me you way." No. And I make us say some of you are so foreign pastors, because of selfishness, because of the money you're looking for in the so-called religion, you guys don't even sit down to look at what is happening. So then when you're free, it will be taken away from you if nothing is done. The American, I'm being very proverbial. You should listen to me. you should listen to me. Because me too quite power. Me too quite. Share the whole UAE. Tini. The whole UAE, Dubai, no name. All the other 7 Emirates, Kabul, my friend, UAE, United Arab Emirates. Okohwa, more than 60% of the residents owning in Nani Hindu for. See, Oko, what much I can online. Oko UAE, Hono, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Nessa Uncle Fanina, okay, can you know Bomwa? Somewhere a door so pan or can be a bomwa. About 50 to 60, 70% in Hindus. But the whole this place in Nano, now you need temple, baby, a Hindu food need temple, baby. So a India president, prime minister, no, a Narendra Modi, and a country UAE president, no, Abu Dhabi say. Obaha microphone kwane wa. Huh? Microphone kwane wa. Why don't we give you the place a bit me see at least one temple for all? You don't call the whole UAE in Nana. One major temple per and a bino map finds a mobile to me see. Into Oba Hinduism Nusumwa. Your factors be you want to say Presby, primary Anglican, you know. Sana and Sum, Bamunamo about Pentumuna Monko worship. That's the level of the seriousness. Only could Dubai him say India they are getting to about 80% as compared to all the other nationalities holding in. But still now they have only one major temple. One major, big major one pay Abu Dhabi. I was going to make actually we Christians are more so called so for moon they are more a yes some selfishness in this car more pay dinner. Monfo mani to form to tomo no mayi no mani beba mo so na no makachi kind of cry. I'm being very fair. I am not a Christian, I am not a Muslim. I want to be free to practice what I believe in. Okay? I want to be free to practice what I believe in. And person will be beshamin. I don't like that. But that's where the world is heading towards. TNE. That's where the world is heading towards. That your freedom will be taken away from you. You will do what we want you to do. If not, that will be a problem. I was saying, I'm kind of natural. I dream them a team. I am being a little bit proverbial. Say, me kasa o kasa be boom. TNE. Listen to it very carefully. The Viasano at the Cassia be a buy, say, some Cassia bar Franca Ensiso. As some Cassia bar Franca Ensiso. But some of us, it was inside. We can see ahead. To make us say, you should know I'm being more emotional, but I'm telling you what I feel. You're careful. Especially more so for now, more to one. And you're brilliant. I say, actually, be no was certain cry, but to by force, you won't open. I'm telling you, won't be. Now, the question I don't know. Now, you're missing the 117 was on the what chill me in a domoko. And I want it. One day, Anna. And but one day, now in Nigeria, 117 people were on them or more, sorry. And Crophobia would hold you to a quite 117 in the Uminako. One day. Do you know yourself when I wouldn't the way you don't know, wouldn't need any serious prophetic insight to be at the okay. A better baby was on the moon to move. I'm busy here with you. Wouldn't mean us on them because we may have kidnap Wako. Should be careful. Some of these things, we are not very interested. We are not very interested in all these things, but at least you pay freedom. Many Christian, many Cremonino, Obia mechanic may say, compose your way, Mr. Adam Pen and Pastor, man, question them to fear, wouldn't mean your So I wouldn't be happy to say, be do by compose is all quiet. Consume had the hour, no, I'm not ready to support that. Now, me is a one Casa Wahano, so we're kind of crash on something like that on pet. Some of you are so for me, you guys don't know. See, maybe much high. But go to Saudi Arabia, a capital of the world, when it comes to Islam. Whether you see any mosque na me temple ke see na church ke see bisi wo hu bia be ka kire me why okọ Vatican City ba bia Kristosin free ye say okọ Vatican okọ Italy na Roman Catholic no mpan for the free na the seat of the Pope. You go there, you see temples, you see mosque there. So what I'm telling you, me book as kasakuma, me book be. Some of you, you guys don't know. But I may say, the most painful thing in this world, and I say, you better freedom of freedom. And intina say wonnim na ye do ko share fiase a wan hwe ya obete ti ho e ho no kra no e freedom keto abi ni age afiri nsam and nobody ever to me see so that kind of thing. And intima me say ade bia na ebema democracy ye wo wiase no intimum practice bi no bi intim ya de ope willingly no sa ade no me I don't want to support that energy. But see dua bi enye wani ebe wo no intwa so ye tu ase. Okay, Accra obenya ye nipa odi kan ye embly o ketekete no da ye funum obema ne oba hu nsu na form ne keteta ho because ye bibia ujai to 9 months time pen we pia bontin enche bi no odimika no nante nti no issue bi a sha se ketekete you would know to ye badwe ma o mu wani koso sa di we ketekete si we enche e be bia kese nti e ka ho nti na me e bia me support ba o mi asa o me president of Ghana. Yes, then nti ya. I mean, I'm being fair, and I think so. You'll be your